Welcome back, guys. Hope you had an amazing day. Today we're going to do foam rolling on the quad and the glute. When these areas are tight, they can cause you extreme pain, not only in the lower back, the upper glute, but also extreme pain in the knee. So it's important, if you're feeling any pain in those areas, or you just want to improve blood flow to the quad and the glute to help improve power, strength, and mobility, foam rolling the quad, the glute, and the IT band will make a massive difference. But most of all, if you have knee pain, I guarantee that's probably one of the most important places to do. So position yourself on the floor on the mat. We're going to start in the center line of the glute. Okay, we're going to roll top to bottom or bottom to top. Keep rolling until you find a spot that is really painful and sends a sharp pain. And what you want to do is you're going to hold on that spot, and what we're going to do is breathe in for 4 seconds through the nose, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 4 seconds through the mouth, all while we expand the belly on the inhale, compress your belly back to your spine on the exhale. Okay, so here we go. Imagine we're rolling midpoint to the outside, coming forward. We find a spot. We're going to hold on that spot. We're going to breathe in, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Tummy goes back to center, the spine, hold for 4, and then we move on again. Okay, if you can't do that box breathing properly or for the 4 seconds, that's okay. Breathe in for 4, exhale for 4 until you can. Now we move onto the quad. So most important part, start with a joint, move away from the joint. Okay, so we're going to roll from the knee up to the hip and then back down nice and lightly. We apply the pressure when we go away from the joint, roll. And if we get to a point where it is painful, what we're going to do is we're going to stop again. Hold there for 4, breathing in through the nose, let the belly expand out. Hold for 4. Move around in that spot, but don't go up or down. And exhale for 4. And as we exhale, we can move further away from the joint. Kind of like what you're doing is you're flushing the toxins out. And actually just imagine the toxins flushing out of your body. Then take the pressure off the leg again till you go back to the joint. Apply the pressure again. Roll until you get to a spot that's painful again. And we're going to repeat the same thing again. Breathe in for 4 seconds, expand the belly. Hold for 4. And exhale. Belly back to the spine for 4. And as you do that, move away from the joint. All right, that may seem difficult at the start, but keep practicing. The point is that your muscle is so free and so loose from all scar tissue or toxins buildup that there's no more pain in them. Obviously, when you train, this will keep building up, so it's important to keep doing it. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Like, subscribe if you like this video. Have a beautiful one.